talk a little bit about the different forms of magnesium and why it's so important that someone is not just using one form of magnesium and what that does to your body.
Different types of magnesium are taken up by different parts of the body. So some goes to your brain, some address hormone issues, some go to your vascular system, some go to your heart, some involved in neurotransmitter formation. And so we were able to identify the 7 best magnesiums and how we were going to integrate them into a simple formula that you could get all of them at once. And just so people are looking at magnesium dietary wise, dark chocolate, avocados, nuts like almonds, cashews, Brazils, seeds, pumpkin, flax, and chia, bananas, leafy greens, tofu, and legumes. Or if you crave chocolate, chances are you're magnesium deficient.
This really is like the most nutrient-rich supplements that you can find, and they are amazing. I have tried them. I absolutely love them. So use the coupon code